Every decision you make has a deeper impact on your business than you can imagine. The difference between achieving your goals and falling short often comes down to informed decision-making. That's why here is Odyx yHat, the most advanced time series forecasting tool. Odyx yHat analyzes historical data, identifies patterns, and forecasts future events with unrivaled accuracy using state-of-the-art algorithms and artificial intelligence. Odyx yHat is made to assist companies in gaining a competitive edge through trend forecasting and data-driven decision-making. Our time series forecasting tool is developed for assisting different industries, including retail, manufacturing, finance, agriculture, and more. Odyx yHat boosts revenue through precise forecasts, reduces costs by streamlining operations, and saves time by automating data analysis for strategic decision-making. Book a free demo and see how Odyx yHat can unlock unlimited possibilities.